Greetings Mumbaikars, I Arnab Goswami from Republic TV on behalf of Mumbai RTO and the government of Maharashtra urge you to stop honking. Vehicular honking in Mumbai has reached an alarming level and contributes more than 70% of the noise pollution in our environment. The unwanted sound can affect human health and behavior, causing annoyance, depression, hypertension, stress, hearing loss, memory loss and panic attacks. Let us pledge to stop honking and make our city healthier.